Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this lecture, we will learn about abstraction. Abstraction is the process of showing only essential and necessary features of an entity or object to the outside world and hide the other irrelevant information. It means that abstraction helps to only show the properties of an entity and hides the detail how that property works. Now understand the concept of abstraction with the help of an example. For example, to open your TV, we only have a power button. It is not required to understand how infrared waves are getting generated in TV remote control. I hope guys, with the help of this example, now the concept of abstraction is clear. Thank you guys.